Hey, so here's step 2 of our subreddit agent, and now it's actually a PAM, Partner Account Monitor, Blog Content Creator. So what it does really quickly, it's going to go out to your Reddit, grab a couple of posts from your favorite subreddits. It's going to send them to our agent. That agent is going to look for the posts that are more relevant to your business. You can see here that this is kind of how we set this up right there. And that is going to send that to our other agent, which is once it gets the posts that are actually relevant, it'll look for the ones that are highly relevant, and it'll create blog content for you. Once it creates that content, it actually also asks it to output an image for you that goes along with that blog, and then it sends it all to a Teams channel. I'm going to show you how all that works when we test this workflow right now. Let's see, this is the first test. Well, I've tested it yesterday, but it could break very easily, so bear with us. But everything should run smoothly, right? I'm going to show you the steps that you actually can customize for yourself in each one of those one at a time. So the first one is the Reddit node, and this is where you'd want to customize this, right? So you want to choose the subreddit that you want. You want to choose as many as you want to get. I choose rising posts because these are kind of trending posts, right? And that's all the kind of customization you want. Now, if you want to set up the Reddit API, you can go to my last post, which is the subreddit agent. And it has clear instructions right here on how to set up your API. And that's what that looks like right there for Reddit. Step two on the customization is the AI agent itself that finds the posts. Now you can see here that this is where you'd go into. Here's our system message, an expert online research, jobs, IT, and Microsoft resellers. Customize this part here. This is a bit trickier because you got to do it in the actual window. This one you can pop out and you can customize this using the content from your previous nodes, right? So your job is to analyze the self text here, which is the full post, and then you want to actually classify, and then you want to ask it to output certain things so that way you can split these out and use those things in your post. The next step you want to customize is the actual agent itself that creates the posts. And right here, how you can do that is you can open up this little section here, and then you can customize this. And this is the part that you'd want to customize is basically right here at the top, asking it what kind of post to kind of create. This is just a general prompt that I've been using for the last year and that does a really good job of kind of creating content for my blogs that's SEO friendly. So now that we're done with the actual execution, you can see that it's run and everything's working, and we're going to pause that and go right into. So this is what it looks like when you get to Teams. This is from this morning, 8:48 right now. We're going to scroll down. Here's your titles. Here's your subtitles. And here's some posts. And these posts are not meant to be kind of posted as is. Personally, I think it's better. I don't know why this is not previewing it, but it'll preview when you have it or you can download it. But yeah, these posts are meant to be taken and customized by your own, yourself or by anybody that's working in marketing to give you a bit of a more accurate post or to make sure the post resonates with your business and with your actual business kind of objectives, right? But here you go, an automatic content creator, blog creator that sends all of the blogs right to your Teams channel for Microsoft partners. This one's going to be focused on cybersecurity, right? But that's the subreddit that we chose. So there you go.